what's up YouTube? My name is Bill. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install tire chains on your vehicle. Now tomorrow, I'm here in Minnesota, it's mid-January. Tomorrow we have a winter storm warning for about a foot of snow, and it's going to be heavy wet snow. So I'm going to prepare my truck for it, and I thought I'd make a quick video. I've had some success with this type of snow chain. I bought some new ones because I got new wheels and tires for my truck, so I needed a bigger size, and I'll show you how to put this on. So step one is finding the right product. And like I said, I've had some success in the past with this style of snow chain, and I find that it's fairly easy to put on. I'm not the greatest at it. I don't do it a lot, but it takes, if I can get it done within 5-10 minutes, that's pretty good. I got this through Amazon. It's called the Z chain for aggressive traction. There's a number of different companies that make this style of snow chain. This just happens to be the one. I've got new wheels and tires, 285 70R17s is the size. I've got that on one of my other videos as well, if you wanted to see more of that. But wanted to just show you real quick how this is laid out. If you're interested in getting snow chains, this is a good idea. Especially if you get a lot of snow, get stuck. You'll notice a couple different things on this. Sorry, my towel is stuck to the snow. You make sure, what I do is I'll grab my chain, I'll lay it out first, and you'll notice that there's an opening right here. This is where it's going to connect on one side. So we're actually going to take the red side and we're going to put that on the back side of there, and then this comes around to the front, and then this is where, in this spot right here, is where the tire is going to sit. And you'll notice, and I've done this before, you'll notice that this side's his tire side, so this actually is going to fold up right up into that on the side of your tires. So then these pieces right here, this end is going to come around and it's going to connect over to a connector that's right over here, and we'll take a look. And then also on the back you have this hook right here, and that's going to hook on the back to this hook right here. So I'll show you how that looks. Okay, so once you've laid out your chain, then you're going to slide it into position. And again, if you remember where the opening was, this is my opening where the tire meets. I've got half of the chain on this side and half of the chain on this side. Now I'm going to reach back. I'm going to grab, again, the red wire for mine goes in the back. We're going to bring this up and around. I can do this with, sorry guys, I can do this just with one hand. I'll set that up there. We're going to reach around and grab the other side. And these are going to hook. This is going to hook on the back. Oops, sorry. Terrible video, I realize. Okay, so we got the back hooked. And then now it's just a matter of getting this hook, the front hooked up. But you'll notice that the chain doesn't want to move. It's not very elastic, so you just want to kind of work these metal rings on here. They just slide on there, so you just have to keep working it until you can get this brought around. And then once you bring it around, you can connect down here at the bottom. This blue end goes right into here, and that'll click. And then this style has a bunch of adjusters, so depending on your tire size, your wheel size, I can keep moving these up to tighten them out. But I'm going to put this top portion on first. And then I also want to make sure that just everything is, you want to try to have these right here where my thumb is, these clips, you want these on the side, because that way you know that the chain is balanced on your wheel. So I'm just going to pull those over a little bit. I'm going to keep working this one, so we just have it balanced, and then we'll see if we can reach this over here. I'm going to put you right underneath my chin. Okay, chain's on. It took me an extra 3-4 minutes. I needed both hands I had to wrestle this on. Actually, what I found was I did this top portion first, and I couldn't reach the bottom, so I undid this top portion and then worked the bottom first, did that, attached that together, and then came back to the top. It took some wrestling. You really got to pull these. They just get caught in the tires, so you just kind of have to keep working at it until they go. This one probably needs tightening. I might just drive it up the hill for a minute and then come back and then make an adjustment so that I get this a little bit tighter on the outside. But overall, that's what it looks like. You will get some great traction. I will say, they have warnings on these, don't drive down the highway with tire chains on. I will say, based on my experience, you want to limit your use of these. Use them when you need them. But they will, these are brand new tires, but they will cut into, start wearing out some of the knobs on the tires. So you want to kind of limit, the usage of them. Like I said, I've got a foot of heavy snow coming tomorrow, and I like to get my truck ready ahead of time so I can get the plow on, and I've got this side all ready to go too. So hope that helps. They are helpful. The tire chains are about, you can probably get them for $80-100 on Amazon, something like that. And they do provide some very good traction. So hope that helps. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.